In this video, we're going to talk about three-digit squares. For number one, we have 647 square. 647 square is equal to 6 square, 36. 4 square, 16. 7 square, 49. 6 times 4, that's a 24. 24 times 2, that's 48. So write 48 here. 4 times 7, that's a 28. 20 times 2, that's a 56. So write 56 here. 6 times 7, that's 42. So 42 times 2, that's 84. So write 84 in the middle position right here. Then we add numbers. 9, that's a 10. Here 10, 15, 16. That's 18. That's 11. 3 plus 1, 4. So the answer is 418609. Number 2, we have a 726 square. So 726 square is same method. 7 square, 49. 2 square, that's 4, right? So 0, 4. 6 square, 36. And 7 times 2, that's a 14. 14 times 2 is 28. 28. 2 times 6, that's a 12. So 12 times 2, 24. So write 24. And 7 times 6, that's a 42. So 42 times 2, that's 84. So write 84 here and add all of numbers together. So we have a 6, 7, 4 plus 2 plus 4, that's 10. So 1 here. 8 plus x, 8, 16. So that's 17. And 192, that's a 12. 4 plus 1, that's a 5. So the answer is a 527076. Number 3, we have 837 square. So 837 square is equal to 8 square, 64. 3 square, that's 9. 7 square, 49. And 8 times 3, that's 24 times 2, 48. So 48 goes here. 3 times 7, 21 times 2. So that's 42. 42 goes here. And 8 times 7, that's 56. 56 times 2, that's 112. If it's 2-digit, we write 2 numbers right here. If it's 3-digit, write number starting from here, 112. And add all of the numbers. 9, 4 plus 2, 6. 9 plus 4 plus 2, that's a 15, right? So 1 here. 181, that's 10. So 1 here. 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1, that's 10. So 0 here, 1 here. And 1 plus 6, that's a 7. So the answer is 700569. Now let's see how this happens. Let's say we have a trinomial a plus b plus c squared. That is equal to a plus b plus c times a plus b plus c, right? And we're going to expand this expression using the distributable property. So starting from a times a gives us a squared. A times b, that's ab. And a times c, that's plus ac. And now starting from b times a, that's ba or ab, right? So plus ab. B times b, that's b squared. So plus b squared. B times c, that's plus bc. So plus bc. Lastly, from c. Starting from c times a, that's a ca or ac, right? So plus ac. C times b, that's a cb or bc. So plus bc. And c times c, that's a c squared. So plus c squared. And if we add all of those terms together, then we'll have a squared plus b squared plus c squared, and ab plus ab, that's 2ab, right? bc plus bc, that's 2bc, and ac plus ac plus 2ac, right? So trinomial square is always equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 times a times b, 2 times b times c, 2 times a times c, right? That's why we have this expression right here. Then now we're going to look at number 1, 647 squared, and we're going to expand this using this method. 647 squared can be written as 600 plus 40 plus 7 squared, trinomial square, right? So if we expand this expression, that is equal to 600 squared plus 40 squared plus 7 squared plus 2 times 600 times 40, 600 times 40 plus 2 times 40 times 7. So 40 times 7 plus 2 times 600 times 7. Right? So 600, that's going to be 36 with the 4 zeros. Plus 40 squared, that's a 16 with the 2 zeros. 7 squared, 49. Right? 2 times 6 times 4. 6 times 4, that's 24. So 24 times 2, that's 48. So plus 48 with the 3 zeros. 2 times 4 times 7, that's 28 times 2, that's 56 with 1 0. So 56 with 1 0 plus 2 times 6 times 7. 6 times 7, that's 42. So 42 times 2, that's 84. So 84 with the 2 zeros. So basically we have to have 6-digit number, right? So here, let's say we have a 6-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and look at this number right here. That's 36 with the 4 zeros, right? So 36 goes right here, right? And next one, we have a 16 with the 2 zeros. So 16 goes here, right? 1600. And we have 49 here. So 49 goes right here. Okay, and next number, 48 with the 3 zeros, 48 with the 3 zeros. So 48 with the 3 zeros, 48 has to go this position, right? With the 3 zeros. And 560, we must write 56 here, right? 560, right? Last, 8400. So 84 with the 2 zeros. So that goes in the middle position, 8400, right? And we add all of these numbers together. So 9, 10, 10, right? 1, 6, 5, 4, that's going to be 16. So 6, 1. So that's 18. That's 11. 1 plus 3, that's 4. So the answer has to be 418609. So to recap, when we have a 3-digit square like a 647 square, what we have to do is we square first digit, 6 square, that goes here. 4 square, 16, that goes here. 7 square, 49, that goes here. And then 2 times 6 times 4, that goes here. 2 times 4 times 7, that goes here. And 2 times 6 times 7, 84, goes in the middle position right here. And we add all of this number vertically. Okay? Now let's try these examples. Number 1, we have a 274 square. So that is equal to 2 square, 4, 7 square, 49, 4 square, 16, 2 times 7, 14 times 2, that's 28. 7 times 4, that's 28. 20 times 2, 56. 2 times 4, that's 8. 8 times 2, that's 16. So the answer is 6, 7. Here we have 11, 20, right? 20. So 2, 4, 8, that's 15. 1, 4, 2, that's 7. So the answer must be 75076. Number 2, we have a 467 square. So that is equal to 4 square 16, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 4 times 6, that's 24. 24 times 2, that's 48. 6 times 7, that's 42. 42 times 2, 84. And 4 times 7, that's 28. 20 times 2, that's 56. So 9, 8, 14, 20. That's 20, right? 20. And that's 18, 11. 1 plus 1, 2. So the answer is 2, 1, 8, 0, and 9. Number 3, we have a 943 square. So that is equal to 9 square 81, 4 square 16, 3 square 9, 9 times 4, that's 36. 36 times 2, that's 72. 4 times 3, 12. So 24. 9 times 3, 27 times 2, 54. So 9, 4, 2, that's 12. 1, 1, 2, 5, that's 7, 8, 9. 1, 7, 8, 8. So the answer is 8, 8, 9, 2, 4, 9. Number 4, we have 895 square. So that is equal to 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 5 square 25, and 8 times 9, that's 72. So 72 times 2 is 144, right? So 144. And 9 times 5, that's 45. Times 2, that's 90. And 8 times 5, that's 40. 40 times 2, that's 80. So 80 here. So 5, 2, 0, 1. Here 9, 13, 21. So 21, 2, 4, 4, that's 10. So 161, that's 8. So the answer is 801025. Check point 1. We have a 364 square. So that is equal to 3 square, 9, 6 square, 36, 4 square, 16. 6 times 3, that's 18. Times 2, 36. 6 times 4, 24. Times 2, 48. And 3 times 4, 12. Times 2, that's 24. So 6, 9, that's 14. So that's 12. So 13. So 1 plus 0, 1. So the answer is 132496. Number 2, we have a 572 square. So that is equal to 5 square 25, 7 square 49, 2 square 4. 5 times 7, 35 times 2, that's 70. And 7 times 2, 14 times 2, 28. And 5 times 2, 10. 10 times 2, that's 20. So 4, 8, 1. 1, 4, 2, that's 7. 12. 2 plus 1, 3. So the answer is 327184. Number 3, 744 squared. So that is equal to 7 squared, 49. 4 squared, 16. 4 squared, 16. 7 times 4, 28. Times 2, 56. 56. 4 times 4, 16. Times 2, 32. And 7 times 4, that's a 28. Times 2, 56. So add them. 6, 3. That's 15. That's 11, 12, 13. 15. 1 plus 4, 5. So 5, 5, 3, 5, 3, 6. Number 4, 967 squared. So that is equal to 9 squared, 81. 6 squared, 36. 7 squared, 49. 9 times 6, that's a 54. Times 2, that's 108. So 108. 6 times 7, that's 42. Times 2, 84. And 9 times 7, 63. Times 2, that's 126. So 126. 9, 8. That's going to be 12, 20. 2, 8, 10, 15. That's 3. 8 plus 1, 9. So the answer is 9, 3, 5, 0, and 9.